And let's try to answer more problems. Square root of 18, the factors are, okay, that is 9 times 2. Okay, this is a perfect square, so this is 3 square root of 2. And that is your answer. Next is square root of 12. Okay, again, one of them should be a perfect square. That is 4 times 3. 4 is a perfect square, so your answer is 2 square root of 3. Next, square root of 50. So, could be 5 times 10, but none of that is a perfect square. So, you can make use of 25 times 2. Okay, 25 is a perfect square. So, this is 5 square root of 2.